In this lesson, we're going to learn how to say the days of the week and the months of the year in Spanish. Of course, these are super useful when talking about plans, birthdays, routines, pretty much anything. First of all, the word for day in Spanish is día, and the word for month is mes. Now, let's start with the 7 days of the week. Here we have Monday, lunes, lunes. Tuesday, martes. Wednesday, miércoles. Thursday, jueves. Friday, viernes. Saturday, sábado. Sunday, domingo. You might have noticed that I haven't capitalized these words in Spanish. That's because days of the week are not capitalized in Spanish like they are in English, unless they are at the start of a sentence. Also, all the days are classified as masculine. So to say the Monday would be el lunes. What would be the Tuesday? El martes. The Saturday. El sábado. To say something like it's possible on Tuesday, Spanish wouldn't say on Tuesday. Instead, they would say the Tuesday. So literally, what you would be saying is, it's possible the Tuesday. Try to say it. Es posible el martes. What about, it's not possible on Monday? No es posible el lunes. There's a festival on Saturday. Hay un festival el sábado. There's a lot of traffic on Thursdays. Hay mucho tráfico los jueves. The word for today is hoy. Hoy. How would you say today is Wednesday? Hoy es miércoles. Today is not Friday. Hoy no es viernes. Sunday is good for me. El domingo es bueno para mí. Moving on to the 12 months of the year. Let's start from the beginning and look at the word in Spanish for each one. January, enero. February, febrero. March, marzo. April, abril. May, mayo. June, junio. July, julio. August, agosto. September, septiembre. October, octubre. November, noviembre. December, diciembre. Once again, you can see that, just like with days, months of the year are not capitalized either. I realize that's quite a bit of vocabulary we just learned there, so don't worry if you feel like you don't have all of that fully memorized at this stage. Over time, you'll find that vocabulary like this will automatically sink in more and more as you come across it. And of course, you can always repeat the video to help you memorize it quicker. With that said, let's try out a few simple sentences. First, I'd like to give you this little word en, which, as you can see, is very similar in Spanish, spelt en, en. How would you say, it's not possible in February? No es posible en febrero. December is fantastic. Diciembre es fantástico. April is special for me. Abril es especial para mí. The word for work is trabajo. Trabajo. How would you express a lot of work? Mucho trabajo. Now say, there's a lot of work in March. Hay mucho trabajo en marzo. January is very important for me. Enero es muy importante para mí. It's not today, it's in November. No es hoy, es en noviembre. It's very normal in July. Es muy normal en julio. The word for party is fiesta. It's a feminine word ending in A, so la fiesta. How would you say the party was in August? La fiesta fue en agosto.